Hey, how's it going, guys? Josh Annarelli here at MarineMax St. Petersburg, standing on a fresh listing we just got in. This is in our brokerage section of MarineMax. It's a 2014 Boston Whaler 320 Outrage, powered by twin 300 Verados with joystick piloting. It's got full Garmin electronics, outriggers, and much more. Thanks for looking at this 2014 Boston Whaler 320 Outrage that we have listed here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. If you guys have any questions, want to set up a viewing, give me a call, 727-366-5980. Again, my name is Josh Annarelli, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.